Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will act now. Open Start, type Regedit, then run Registry Editor as administrator. Once open, navigate to File Export and save a backup. Reg to external media so you can revert. Make a system restore point from Control Panel recovery for extra safety. You need admin privileges and patience. Changes affect system settings. Once done, identify which hive or key you need to restore and keep Regedit open for the next step. You will import defaults now. In Registry Editor, choose File Import and select the reg file containing default settings, then confirm. If you don't have a reg, run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health from an elevated command prompt to repair protected system hives. Make sure to close interfering programs. If a key is locked, reboot into safe mode and repeat the import. This approach restores many defaults without a full reinstall. You complete the process by restarting your PC at least twice so Windows applies registry changes and rebuilds caches. Once booted, verify expected behavior. If an error appears, immediately import your exported reg file or roll back to the system restore point you made earlier. If the system won't boot, access WinRe and use system restore or reset this PC. One key troubleshooting tip: if a particular app breaks, restore only that app's.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.